Hi everyone, it's been a while, right? Just thought I'd do a quick catch up really, show you what's going on in the world here in sunny Thailand. Well, as far as the farm goes, nothing much has happened, so just bear with me, let me flick this round. There we go. So the reason why nothing's happened is quite simple. Songkran. Look at that beautiful sunset over there. Amazing. Songkran. The heat. My God, the heat. It's been amazing. I've been in Thailand a long time. Many years. And I think this year is definitely the hottest. Right, those of you that are watching from abroad, this time of the year, the hot season, and this particular hot season has been well, really hot. So I think it's about 6:30 p.m. now, and yeah, you're looking at about 39-40 degrees Celsius still. There's the this is nearly empty. During rain season that'll be full. That rarely gets empty. It's amazing. So yeah, we've had quite a lot of hot weather, 40, 42. Yesterday it reached 43. A bit later on I'll show you the lemon trees. Temperature's really been playing havoc. Some of them have perished, as you would expect in this heat. But we continue. We've had a little bit of rain, but nothing much. So we shall continue. Hopefully, actually, by the end of today, not by the end of today, by the end of, what we're in now, April, by the end of May, I should have a fence up. That'll separate everything. So what's been going on in your neck of the woods? You know, we've just had Songkran, places like Pattaya, Phuket, got Samui, Hoi Hin, all those touristy places. They've had like nearly 10 days of it. I think it finished this weekend here in the town. They had 2 days of throwing water around, and yeah, it was good fun. So if you were in Thailand, I hope you had a good time and you didn't get too wet. I'm sure you did. But it's nice to come out here at this time of evening because listen, it's beautiful, right? It's something we look forward to when we come to live here. I'm sure you can see the moon there, the moon rising over there. That'd be pretty cool every night, sat there, having a cuppa, watching that. So there you go. Right, and the sunset over there. All right, let's go and look at the lemon farm and see what damage is being done from the heat. We can only do so much to protect the trees, but let's go and have a look and fill you in, so to speak. Alrighty. Hello, big girl. How are you doing with the heat? Bacon? Too hot, huh? Too hot to even get up. Don't blame you. Right, so here we are in Patnaree's mum's house. So, the weather, what's it been doing to these trees? So you can see from the finger line, all brown. Trying to keep them out of the shade or out of the sun, but yeah, lots of burnt leaves on the trees. So this is a consequence of the heat here in Thailand, as always. But like I said, it's been especially hot this year. So for those of you that follow us on our Facebook page, you'll notice that Patnaree's been selling these like crazy. I think in the month of April she got rid of about 60 of these. So let's have a look at this little poor one. You can see with the leaves. Pretty dry. And they're getting watered like 2-3 times a day. It's just so hot though. But they're hardy. They'll recover. You know. So, like I said, let me know in the comment box where you are in Thailand. How hot it's been. But yeah, Patnaree's been selling these a lot to shops in Bangkok, coffee shops. They love them. So yeah, if you follow us on our Facebook page, you'll see those. They just drop off. Gonna start with our finger limes in the next couple of weeks or next month or so. Hopefully when the sun goes down a little bit. But as you can see, it's they're all coming along very well. When it rains, my God, these things grow like 6 inches. But this particular house, it's a typical old style Thai house. It's about 1 rai in total, with the little field at the back here. And Nang and I bought it. I won't tell you the story because, but anyway, we ended up buying it back from a bank, work it out, so Mum could continue to live here. And yeah, so we use the back of it. But our mum doesn't want me to do anything with the house because she's lived there for like 70 years. And it is her house really, isn't it? Even though I bought it. So if she's happy, we're all happy. Alright, so that's that. I hope quick update, nothing special, nothing amazing. Yeah, so quick update as we say. Nothing amazing has happened. Nothing regarding the build. It's very, very difficult with hot weather. And I've just been Oh, that hurt.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I've just stood on that. That's the size of that. Obviously, it's just gone right through my shoe. Anyway, as I was saying, it's very difficult to get labour. It's very difficult to get anything done building-wise at this time of the year. And would you want to do it 42 degrees Celsius? Right, I wouldn't. So I'll keep you updated. I'll try and get things on video. I'll maybe go around the local town to show you some things about where we live, and yeah, go from there. Anyway, catch you all soon. Thank you all again. Do press like, do comment, do subscribe, all that jazz. Ciao for now. See you again.